Before proceeding on to the video, subscribe to my channel Versatile Knowledge. Hit the bell beside the subscribe button in order to get notified whenever a new video goes on air in my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to another special episode of my channel Versatile Knowledge. In this video, I will be doing the unboxing and review of the Photron selfie stick. I bought this product from Amazon for around 300 rupees. I'll be putting up the direct links in the description below if you want to buy one for yourself. So let's get started with the review. This is the box package of the selfie stick itself. The Photron name has been mentioned on the top side. On the left hand side, you will get Photron inspiring your creativity selfie stick, and the model number has been written. On the rear side, again the model number and the color has been mentioned on this side. Some features have been posted about this smart selfie stick. And on the rear side comes the brilliant part, the barcode, and the manufacture date has been written. And the funniest part is the price. They've mentioned as 2990. They think themselves as the standard crackers. Hmm. It's priced around 300 rupees, but they're mentioned as 3000 rupees. And they have mentioned the compatibility. They tell it is compatible with iOS, iPod, Android, etc. And they have mentioned the package contents. The selfie stick, the cable, and the mobile holder. They've mentioned the specifications, as you can see. These are just boasting, guys. You need to check out before you decide these things are right or wrong. Well, the maximum load capacity they have mentioned as 500 grams, that's half a kg. Quite bulkier smartphones also will be supported on these selfie sticks. Let me open the box package. Well, I'd already opened the seal just to check out whether all the products inside this one is intact or not. Let me now pull out the actual holder in which the components are placed. This is a plastic case. Let me keep this thing to the side, and this is the actual box contents. The first thing that you need to remember is you need to keep this instruction manual safe, because it also acts as the warranty card. This is the bracket holder for your smartphone, this on which your smartphone sits. This is the monopod, or the actual selfie stick, on which there is the button. It looks a really durable and really sturdy product for the price range. Let me take that bracket to the side. It fits in smartphones up to 6 inches. Sorry, Mi Max owners. This is a USB cable for charging. Of course, it supports normal USB that you already have in your houses. This USB cable is for charging the selfie stick. This is the clamp that they have provided in order to make sure your smartphone does not fall off. Well, these are the complete box contents. The monopod, the USB cable, the clamp, the bracket holder for the smartphone, at the same time the instruction manual. Instruction manual is a very important guide which shows you how to use the whole selfie stick. I will show you guys how to set up your smartphone with the selfie stick. And this is the bracket or the clamp, and this is the bracket or the clamp on which your smartphone on which you need to take selfie will be fit inside. This is the actual selfie stick itself. This is the smartphone on which you need to take selfies. You need to place your smartphone inside the bracket holder. This bracket holder supports smartphones up to 6 inches. With much difficulty, it can support smartphones up to 6.2 inches. Well, it's a pretty sturdy looking bracket holder for the price range. You're paying around 300 rupees, and this is the clamp in order to make sure your smartphone is completely fit inside that bracket holder, and you need not worry while taking selfies like in the mountain regions. Just kidding. This is the clamp, and you need to fix the clamp with much difficulty on the smartphone. Well, it's not too much necessary for you guys to fit the clamp all the times while you are taking selfies. This is how the clamp fits in. Just have illustrated how you need to fix it. It's not too much necessary for you guys to use the clamp all the times for taking selfies. I'll remove the clamp and I'll be back in a while. I'm not a fan of using the clamp. After having put the clamp on the top end of the smartphone under the bracket holder, your smartphone looks and feels really sturdy inside the bracket, and you can see your smartphone is completely safe and you don't have to worry about your smartphone getting snapped off that bracket. This is how you need to fix the actual monopod or the selfie stick. You need to tighten the screws just like screwdrivers. Make sure it is completely tight and your smartphone is safe inside the bracket. They have provided the screw in order to make sure you can move your bracket around 180 degrees. Using the screw, you can move your bracket completely towards your side, facing you, and you can face that bracket completely on the opposite side too. It provides good motion, and once you are set with particular angle, you can tighten the screw and go ahead for taking the selfies. As you can see, I have set up the selfie stick in one particular direction like this. This is how your selfie stick, uh, this is how the bracket sit on the selfie stick. Hmm. The bracket is seated properly, smartphone is present inside the bracket, and the screws has been fitted perfectly for better selfie angles. Now let me show you the rear part. The actual mechanism of the selfie stick happens in this part. Actually, all the Bluetooth drivers and other Bluetooth related components are present inside this. This is the USB slot, and there is a switch under the USB slot which once switched on gives you blue color light. That blue color light indicates that you have switched on your selfie stick and you are ready to go for taking selfies. If there is a red color light that is beeping, that means the battery of your selfie stick is low. Once you plug in, you need to wait for around 25 minutes for complete charge, or under 20 minutes also sometimes. Once that red color light is off, that means your selfie stick is completely charged and you are ready to go. This is a really cool and really sturdy looking product, and there is no Bluetooth capture button that have been provided separately. On the selfie stick itself they have been embedded. This screw can be used to tilt that bracket in any angle as you wish. Now let me show you guys up to what length this selfie stick can be extended. It is a pretty tight stick. It is a pretty tight stick because I'm using this product for the first time. Let me pull all the steps of this selfie stick and show you guys up to what length this can be extended. As they had mentioned on the box, it can be extended up to 40 inches. Let me test out before coming into the conclusion whether this is truly tall or not. I'm pulling this. This is a very tight stick. At start you'll feel that it is really tight because it is a newer one. Once you start using, you will not feel it is tight. Hmm. I've pulled out all the steps or all the compartments of this selfie stick, and now let me show you actually how tall it is. That's one end of the desk where I've placed the bracket and the smartphone, and this is the other end. And I need to tell you guys, this is pretty tall. Absolutely. If you want to talk with you guys in terms of feet, it is around 3 or 3.2 feet. It's really tall, guys. uh, it is really good for taking selfies consisting of more than 25 people. You need to have a good selfie camera for that also. Oppo, Vivo type. And now let me show you guys how to pair this Bluetooth with the selfie stick. Once you have switched on that switch behind that selfie stick, just below the USB slot, blue color light beeps. And now you need to switch on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Once I switch on the Bluetooth on my smartphone, your device scans and available devices will be mentioned. Once you click on that available devices, Photron selfie stick will be visible. Let me click on that available device. Yeah, now yes, we have got the Photron selfie stick. And I need to tell you guys, the pairing of this Bluetooth on the selfie stick is absolutely rapid. It pairs in a flash. It doesn't take a longer time to pair. Now let me open the camera application. Well, I was trying to take a few number of selfies using the selfie stick on my smartphone. When we are talking about selfie stick, we need to show you guys some snaps that have been taken using the selfie stick. This was taken from a lower angle. Well, this too was from a lower angle. This was from the top. Uh-huh. That stern look quite amazing, right? This was quite blur. This was taken from a top angle as well. This was the best view possible. Pause and see if you want. Let me talk about the pros and cons of the selfie stick overall. The build quality of the selfie stick looks really good. It's a really sturdy product for the price range. You can't expect a me selfie stick like price, me selfie stick like build quality in the price range of 300 rupees. Of course, me selfie stick is available for around 700 or 1000 rupees. This is priced at around 299 or 300, 299 300 rupees. And for that price range, the build quality is really good. The clamp that they have provided or the screws that they have provided help you to take better angle selfies. The best part of this selfie stick is the length up to which this selfie stick can be expanded to get the best view possible. If you want me to talk in terms of foot, it expands up to 3.5 feet. It has a good it has a button present on this selfie stick, which is of course a very delicate quality. It button looks as if it's going to snap sometime, and this rubber clamp is provided in order to make sure that your smartphone doesn't fall off if you're taking selfies from really long distance. Another con that I found out in this selfie stick is this bracket. This bracket, once you expand to this up to this length, it stops. You can't expand more. You can't expand anything anymore. You need to plug in your smartphone up to this one. If you're having a really wider smartphone, or if you're having a really strong or very hard or very bulky smartphone, then I think it may not be fitting inside this one. Overall, I would say this product is a really good deal at around 300 rupees. I'm lucky that I got this black one. They may send you blue color, pink color variant of this selfie stick. The brand is Photron. I'll be putting up the direct links in the description below. I hope you guys might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos as this one. I'll catch up with you guys in my next one. Thank you.